Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am solving a problem on computation of the total income of an individual assessee when he is ordinarily resident, not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Kindly watch the video till the end, like it, share among your friends, and subscribe the channel. If you already subscribed the channel, kindly ignore it. Now, let's move to the whiteboard. Now let us know how to compute the total income of an assessee when he is ordinarily resident, when he is not ordinary resident, and when he is non-resident. I have taken a problem from the question which has appeared for the year 2019. The problem is the following. So let me stretch here. The following are the incomes of Shri Narendra for the previous year 2019-20. So the particulars are, the incomes are here: income from agriculture in Bangladesh, rupees 60,000. Then B, salary received in India but services rendered in Iraq, rupees 40,000. So C, income from business in Gujarat, rupees 60,000. D is dividend from domestic company, rupees 20,000. E, income from business in London but controlled from India, but one third received in India, rupees 30,000. F, income earned and received in Japan but the amount was remitted to India, rupees 20,000. G, past untaxed foreign income brought into India during previous year, rupees 30,000. Interest on deposits with the State Bank, Bangalore, rupees 20,000. I, salary received in USA for services rendered in Delhi, rupees 60,000. Rupees 60,000. So compute the total income of Shri Narendra for the assessment year 2021 if he is ordinarily resident. Number 2, not ordinarily resident. Number 3, non-resident. So now let's go for solution. Let us discuss this problem first here. So income from agriculture in Bangladesh, this is a foreign income, so it is taxable only in the hands of ordinary resident. Salary received in India but services rendered in Iraq, though the source of income is outside India, but as the income is received in India, it becomes Indian income, so it is taxable in all the three cases. Then income from business in Gujarat, this is Indian income, so taxable in the hands of all the three cases. Dividend from domestic company, this is an exempted income under section 10 subsection 34. Then income from business in London but controlled from India, but 1/3 received in India. To the extent of the income which is 1/3 of the income which is received in India, it becomes Indian income, and remaining it is taxable only in the hands of first two cases, as the source of income is income from business but controlled from India here. Then income earned and received in Japan, but the amount was remitted to India. So here the remittance should be ignored here, as income is earned and received in Japan, so it is taxable only in the hands of ordinary resident. Past untaxed foreign income brought into India, it is to be ignored. It is it is exempted. Interest on deposits with the State Bank Bangalore, so it is Indian income, so taxable in the hands of all the three cases. Salary received in USA for services rendered in India, even though the source of income is outside India, but here the income is received in India, so it is an Indian income, and hence it is taxable in all the three cases. So now let us solve this here. Computation of total income. Name of assessee Shri Narendra. Previous year 2019-20. Assessment year 2021. So now let me insert the table here. So the table should consist of 4 here, so let me insert a table here. So here it is particulars. Next, ordinarily resident. Next, not ordinarily resident. Next, non-resident. So the first one, income from agriculture in Bangladesh. So that is given as rupees 60,000 here. So this is a foreign income, so taxable only in the first case. Next, salary received in India. Either you can cut short it or you can write as it is. salary received in India for services in Iraq. So that is 40,000, as it is Indian income, so taxable in all the three cases 40,000. So here also 40,000, here also 40,000. The next one here is income from business in Gujarat. So income from business in Gujarat. So this is Indian income, so 60,000. So here also it is 60,000. The next one here, income dividend from domestic company, so it is exempted. We can provide a note, or else we can write it here and we can write it as exempted, exempt. Then else we can write here only dividend from domestic domestic company. So this is, we can write here exempt then exempt. Then the next one here, income from business in London, controlled from India, and 1/3 received in India. So this can be written in two fashion. So this can be written to the extent of 1/3 first it can be written and remaining 2/3 can be written, or else we can directly write here here 30,000 it is, so 1/3 is 10,000. We can write like this: 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, again then 20,000, 20,000, only in the first two cases. Instead of that, we can go for only one here: 30,000, 10,000. Then the next one comes here, income earned and received in Japan. So this is a foreign income, so taxable only in the hands of ordinarily resident here. So 20,000, here it is nil. Then the next one here, past untaxed foreign income brought into India. So this is exempt. Then next, salary received in USA. For services in India. So it is 60,000. So 60,000. So now let us take the total here. So in the first case, it will be 60,000 plus 40,000 plus 60,000 plus 30,000 plus 20,000 plus 60,000. That comes to total 2,90,000. Then 40,000 plus 60,000 plus 30,000 plus 60,000. So 120, 150. It is 40,000, 60,000, 1 lakh, 130, 190 here. So 1,90,000. So in the last case it is 40,000 plus 6,000, 1 lakh, 110 plus 60. So for here we have missed one thing. We have missed one thing here. Interest on deposit interest on deposits with State Bank. So it is 20,000 Indian income. So taxable in all three cases. So 20,000. So now let's take the total. So in the first case it is 2,90,000. In the second case it is 60, 1 lakh, 130, 190, 210 here. So 2,10,000. Then next here it is a 40, 1 lakh, 110, 170, 190. So 1,90,000. So this is the answer for the question here. So this is how we need to compute the total income here, right? So either this can be written as a note, or else you can write here itself. Both are correct. Thank you.